Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on Palantir Technologies, ticker PLTR. Yo guys, we have something here ongoing in the chart. We have a pre-market price section. It started already yesterday in the aftermarket here. Yeah, earnings guys, of course, always earnings. You know, the algos always find some points when to pump or dump a stock. We can see that Palantir already pumped with the last earnings report here, and also now we have here an algo breakout. Palantir is now 18% plus in the pre-market, which means that the price will start almost at $100. I will give you here all my price prediction in the chart and explain what does that mean for the future. Everything what I say here is of course not financial advice. This is my opinion based on the chart. Yo guys, when we zoom out here, we can see that Palantir has a lot of gap ups in the chart. Every time when we have earnings, we have here something like a pump. We can see here August 2024 earning pump. Then the next time here November 2024 earning gap up, and again guys, with the actual earnings we have the next gap up here for Palantir. So that looks super bullish. And I mentioned that already in my previous videos that I have a little bit higher price goal here for Palantir. So this is, in my opinion, not the end here, $100. The market was very boring in the past 2 weeks. So we can see that also here Palantir finished here the Christmas rally. And then since we had here the peak at December 2024, then we had here a sell-off or a correction, a small bounce here to the downside. And then here by the mid of January, the bottom was in, and now we start to build new all-time highs, guys. Yeah, as I said, not surprising for me. In my opinion, the market is not in a bear phase or not in a huge correction mode. That is everything here based on algos, and this is normal that you have a dip, that you need to retest here some support price levels before the price is going up. Why do I think that, guys? Because the market is showing some squeezes this week. As I said, past 2 weeks have been quite boring. I posted here some of my swing trade alert tickers and of course also my hot stocks. And just right now, guys, while I'm recording this video, one of my swing trade alerts here from Patreon is going completely violent. Yeah, parabolic squeeze, more than 300% in just 1 day or no, 2 days. It started yesterday and the squeeze is still active. I posted that here. Also, you can see same time when I posted that, that was also when Palantir had the bottom in. Also this stock here found the bottom here, and then now we have our 307% squeeze. I have a lot of more tickers available right now. My hot stock video is also available right now, guys. So if you want to see here my finest selection of short squeeze stocks, you can of course join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here, and of course you get access to the swing trade alert tickers and the hot stocks. And if you want to also join in, guys, click here the info icon in the corner to get access to my Patreon member link. We growing every day. So guys, I make it here quick and dirty. We just check here the price levels to the upside. So first of all, what is bearish about what happens right now? Bearish is that we have again a gap up. So Palantir had here a lot of gap ups. So you can see that looks absolute super bullish, super stable. We gapped up here from $21 was the bottom, and you can see that we just continue to gap up. And I already made here an Fibonacci retracement where I said where I expect the price to go in future for the Palantir, since we of course here creating new all-time highs after new all-time highs. So we have to measure the new price levels, guys, and I show you now what I think will happen to Palantir, guys. I think we will end up here somewhere in the $124 range. So that makes just no sense. We have no resistance waiting here. The usual support or resistance price level was here at $45, and you can see how the algos gapped up here. So we have already here one gap up where the algo said, okay, this is enough, we want to go for new all-time highs, and we had this very important gap up here. To be very honest, guys, I don't like gap ups, because open gaps in the chart, open down gaps in the chart means that the stock price has to come down sooner or later. I know that nobody wants to hear that, because Palantir is just in an absolute super strong uptrend. So no worries, guys. Sorry, there will no sell-off incoming like that. I just tell you that technically this is not what we want to see. swing traders and day traders don't want to see here open down gaps, or at least if you have a long position, because that means that sooner or later these gaps have to get filled. But for now, since we are here in an unstoppable uptrend, which is here already active since May 2023, it started even earlier here by the beginning of 2023, guys. Palantir is unstoppable and just going higher and higher and higher, and that is of course incredible, and congratulations to everybody who is in this stock here. So guys, based on the Fibonacci retracement here, an inverted retracement which I did, the next price goal is $124. This is what I expect. Of course it has to happen, but when we already gap up here like that, then of course we should see a small pullback here, but in the next weeks or months, guys, $124.32 is my price goal here for Palantir. Don't forget, when we switch here to the also what I want to show you, I forgot that we had this RSI pattern here where I said, guys, be careful, we have here a bearish divergence on the RSI, price is going up and the RSI is going down, and we can see that Palantir got rejected here at an algo trend line here. There is an algo trend line on the RSI, and now, guys, finally you can see how we had this breakout yesterday. That's why I say, maybe people tell you that is everything based on the earnings here, but that was already building up. We already had here this breakout out of this algo trend line, and now we gapping up, which is just confirming the breakout. That's why I tell you, the market makers always leave us some hidden signals in the chart where we can more or less measure what happens next. And that's why I say all these down gaps here, guys, are not good. So sooner or later there might be a bigger price drop incoming or price correction for Palantir, but for now we talk here about the bullish price level. So in the weekly chart, let's go and check the weekly chart here, and I switch off the drawings for a second. So this is what I don't like. This is what was really horrible here. We have here this correction phase incoming, have been here in the overbought territory. So on the weekly RSI, we are completely overbought. And what happens, guys, when the market makers cannot break this uptrend here, even the technicals are completely overbought, then the result can be a short squeeze. So we could of course also see now here a short squeeze for Palantir. That's why I say the technical price level, what I expect based on a normal price action, is $124, but it is now possible that even a stock like Palantir can short squeeze. We had very good volume yesterday, 126 million volume here. The average volume is just 79 million, but I think today we will see here much higher volume compared to yesterday, and that is here one more spike to the upside. As I said, the price goal which I have is $124. Keep in mind, guys, sooner or later this ticker has to retest the EMA lines. We can see that here as well. We had here after the Christmas rally a price drop in total of, let's measure that very quick, zack here. So we had here a price drop of 25%. So if we gap up like that, guys, we can see here a price drop again back to, depends on the moving average here. They will of course, they are ascending here, but we have to retest those moving averages here. Last time we had it was November. Then you can see we had this shakeout in December. So there will be a retest of the moving average where Palantir has to come back here in the $70 to $80 range, depending of course on the time. But keep that in mind, guys. This is not healthy when we have gap ups like that. Even the volume is very good, and when we see the overall volume here for Palantir, that is of course much more green volume than red volume. Guys, that was the quick and dirty update on Palantir. I hope that was helpful for you. If you want to copy here the price levels from my chart, I show you that really quick. Zack. So $124 sorry, is the next price goal for the upside, and even $161 would be possible. But first, let's see if we can reach $124 retest scenario. So if we would come back down, I think the price will come down here back to $70, $75 here in that range, and we will create a new open down gap here at $84. So keep that in mind. Sooner or later we might retest here the price range of $70 to $80, depending on, of course, if we just rip here to $200, guys, then we can forget about that now. But in the long term, we have to see some retest of the support price levels here, even for a super bullish stock like Palantir. So guys, if you want to copy the price levels, this is here everything based on TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos and all my trades. And if you also want to learn trading, there are two things what you have to do, or what I can recommend, guys, is to invest in yourself, guys. Invest in your own knowledge. This is very important, and you need a good chart program, and that's why I always recommend TradingView in my videos, because I use that also for all my videos and all my trades. If you want to get that program, I can give you here a $15 discount link on the premium tier. If you click the info icon in the corner, you get access to this TradingView discount link. So guys, don't forget to check out here my latest hot stocks, and if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I really appreciate that. Sorry for my voice, guys, and thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Palantir Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.